advent of new technology in mobile devices. So most of the mobile devices that we have nowadays has the capabilities to connect to the internet. So has the capability to connect to a Wi-Fi, available connection, Bluetooth, Edge, so 3G, so may mga anin. So but it depends on the hardware, or it is dependent on the hardware. Okay? So hardware device. So ibig sabihin, may mga cellphone na walang connection ng wireless. So kung 32 type ng gamit mo, huwag kang umasa na may connection yan. Nagkahanap ka ng connection, wala kang makakonect yan. Asa ka ba na? So kasi naman daw makakonect yung Wi-Fi zone mo, so kahit saan ka doon. So most of the area, wala. Sa ibang area wala na patay. Pero most of the area doon, may connection, internet yun. So makakonect ka ng free internet. So kaya pag laptop, hindi mo mag-control internet yun. Kasi sa mga services nila. So okay? So pero kung it's a cellphone, pero din. So pero it depends on the model or brand. Siyempre kung ano rin, sila yung magkano. So but most of the new cellphones nowadays, so meron na. So kahit nga yung mga hindi naman ganun pamahal na mga cellphone, meron na. So naka-embed na sa akin, sa device. Okay? So short wake up time, the consumer devices start up in seconds, and most of them are always on. So sabihin, if we're going to, let's say, turn off the phone, and we're going to turn on it again, so mas mabilis. So unlike sa mga computers or sa mga laptop, it will take some time so that mag-on siya. So pero sa mga cellphones, mas mabilis yung wake up time. Okay? So kasi wala naman siya masyadong dinulog ng mga files or ng mga software unlike sa computer. Okay? Siyempre, our computers, if for example, we install so more applications and we actually consume so the capacity of the hard disk, so mostly, or most probably, so it will slow down so sa pag-on. Pero kung subukan mo bago yung computer mo, wala pa naka-install, mabilis yun. Okay? So, pero na-install mo na napakadami mga applications yan, games, kung ano-ano pang makinamit mo mga files yan. Eh, siyempre, apektado rin. Siyempre, dinulog niya lahat yun. So, apektado rin yung pag-download niya. So, pero cellphone, since it has limited memory, limited pricing power, so mas mabilis. Hindi naman natin pwede pulit yan kasi hindi naman pulit yan kapag pinag natin yung memory niya. Okay. So, we have the Java platform. So, actually, Java was created by James Courtney. Okay, so we all know that. So, but now, Java is actually originally owned by Sun Microsystems, right? So, but nowadays, so since it was bought by Oracle Corporation, so the Java is actually owned by Oracle. So that's why if you will be later on, if you will be taking some certification in Java, so if for example you want a career, so in Java programming, so you want to build your career in the industry, in the IT industry, so you need certification, right? So it's because in the industry, so what matters is the certification, in the industry certification. Okay? So you will have the certificate coming from Oracle. So before it is Sun certified Java programmer, now Oracle certified Java programmer. Okay, because the Java is now owned by Oracle Corporation. Okay, so but the original owner of that is Sun Microsystems, and Java actually was created by James Courtney. Okay, so one of the software architects, so Sun Microsystems. Right? So okay, so we have several platforms, so of Java. So this is